Benson AI Investing Review, AI Powered Investments. I'm going to tell you about Benson AI Investing, AI Powered Investments, and whether it's the right tool for growing your money with artificial intelligence. Benson is a mobile first AI investing app that connects you to brokerage account, gives you personalized stock picks every month, and then automates weekly buys based on your choices. You set a budget, anywhere from $5 to $500 per week, and the app does the rest, including smart rebalancing. It's super beginner friendly with a clean interface and zero jargon, and a lot of users love how hands off it feels. But it's not perfect. Some reviews mention poor stock performance, subscription fees around $20 a month, and even issues with trades continuing after cancellation. Like any AI tool, it's not guaranteed for profits. It's more like having a digital assistant that suggests and executes trades, but without deep marketing intuition.